Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. We were studying about a great leader. About which great leader we were studying last week? We were studying about a great leader. The name of great leader is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. What was his name? His name is Mahatma Gandhi ji, or you can tell his full name as Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And he is known as what? He is known as Bapu or Bapuji by people. Lovingly they called him what? They called him Bapu or Bapuji. Means what in English? Father of the nation. Okay. And I told you he loved to live simple life. Correct or not? Simple living was there. He used to wear simple clothes. He used to wear loin cloth. Correct or not? Dhoti. And then upside it there was a shawl. Correct. So that was his lifestyle. And he was not rich or what? Yes, he was quite rich. He had lot of money, but then he wanted to be like a poor people because many people in our country were poor. Okay. In this way we studied two paragraphs of a great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay. Now I will read third paragraph and fourth paragraph for you, and then I will explain you those two paragraphs. Now here, page number 16, lesson number 8. Here it is. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually, men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. Next, once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. Now here it is told that there was a lecture of Mahatma Gandhi ji in Odisha, and he went over there. When he had a lecture, he wanted to give lecture. I told you he used to have. He was a person of firm determination, and whenever he used to take morning prayers and evening prayers, at that time he used to teach people so many new things. Okay, what he used to teach? He used to teach. When he saw people in Odisha for his lecture, he went on a lecture to Odisha, and when he saw that there are some people sitting for lecture, but there is all means are there is no woman. And then what he did some inquiry. Do you understand what is meaning of inquiry? Inquiry means he asked for people why women are not there for this lecture. Then he came to know, some people told him that because of some reason. What was the reason? Women were not having proper decent म्हणजे काय, व्यवस्थित कपडे नव्हते त्यांना घालायला, कुणाला लेडीजला. ओके, so ladies were not having decent clothes to wear, and because of that reason they were not going for any function, any village function you can say, or family functions you can say. And then after hearing that, Mahatma Gandhi ji was very shocked. He said, how can this happen? If the women are not having good dress to wear, or they don't have decent clothes to wear, and because of that reason they are not going out, means how much backward those ladies will remain. And then he thought that no, I will also live very simple life, I will wear very simple clothes, I will not have more clothes. Okay. And then after that he was invited at England. England is what? England is part of Europe continent. And then he was invited by the King of England. Name of king is what? King George of England. King George was what? Was a famous king of England, and he invited Mahatma Gandhi ji for the, what was there? There was a conference, but there was reception to the participants of the conference. Reception means what? The conference was held, many people were called together, they had many discussions, and after discussions whoever had participated that conference, they had what? They had small party at the palace of king. Okay, people received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. Now everyone who will go over there, they have to dress some certain clothing. Now what was that time? Suit and shoes, pant and suit. Okay, that was only dress which everyone has to wear. Next is, people in England wanted to know. Next one is, people in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Now here he told that people of England wanted to know. Now everyone was saying Mahatma Gandhi ji is only wearing loin cloth. Loin cloth means what? Dhoti around his waist, and there is a shawl. And then when he is invited by King George in England, whether he is going to wear some another dress or what, they were too much eager. Who was eager? People of England were eager to know if Gandhiji would change his style. But Gandhiji made it very clear that if you are inviting me, I am not going to change my way of living. Whatever dress I am wearing in my country, same dress I will wear when you are inviting me, or when I will come to the party of the conference or reception of the conference. What was the reason? Gandhiji was not bothered by the style of the dress British approved of. He was not bothered of that. What dress is told by them. He said, I will wear simple dress. I am going to come in simple dress upon you. Why? Because people in my country are so poor. They don't have dress to enough. They do not have enough clothes to wear. So I cannot wear very fancy dresses, or I cannot wear suit and boot and come for the party of the conference. That was told by Mahatma Gandhi ji to whom? To the King of England. Next day, finally the king had to welcome at his finally the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. What is this word? Extravagantly means what? Extraordinary, in a way that cost lot of money. Okay, what is meaning of extravagantly? Extravagantly means which will cost more. Okay, in a way that costs lot of money, where we require more the things to buy. When we require more money to buy some things, that is called extravagantly. Okay, what is that word? Extravagantly. Okay, extravagantly, and it's not there, huh? Extravagantly, that is what meaning means. What? The things which are buy are very costly. That is called extravagantly. The king himself was dressed with too much rich clothes were bought by him, and then he had wore those clothes. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhiji dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhiji did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Okay, he had many staunch followers means what? People who were firm and loyal in following him. To whom people were following? People were following Mahatma Gandhiji. Those people are called what? Staunch followers. Okay, STAUCHED, staunch followers means firm followers. And they were loyal to themselves. They were loyal to Mahatma Gandhi ji. And And then people loved the way he went to England and how he had dressed up. If Mahatma Gandhi ji would have dressed something suit and pant and all, then people would not love him, because people will think what he is doing, show off. Correct or not? He's going out in other countries and he's doing what? He's doing show off. But what Mahatma Gandhi ji did? Mahatma Gandhi ji did not wear any fancy clothes. He just wore loin cloth, that is called dhoti in Marathi, and shawl was taken by him, and king welcomed Mahatma Gandhi ji in same dress. Okay, and people of India, by hearing this and by seeing this, they were very happy. And last 2-3 lines, Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. The way of his living was truth, non-violence, okay, justice, Satyagraha. Satyagraha means he used to, when he wants someone to agree whatever he has said. If he want to make something for poor people, he used to have Satyagraha movement. Satyagraha means what? He will not eat anything and he will sit for what we call, without eating food, he will sit on one place and he will do what? He will do Satyagraha. Salt Satyagraha was done. Many people were followed by him and they sat on one place, did not eat food, and then government of India was forced to listen to their demands. Whatever demands were there of Mahatma Gandhi ji, government has to or had to approve the demands of Mahatma Gandhi ji. In this way, we have completed our lesson. There are some words and meanings which I, while explaining lesson only, I have given you words and their meanings. Please write down those words and meanings in your notebook, and then we are going to start writing exercise part. Okay, write the meanings of the following with the help of the passage. I have given you meanings of the words. In this way, we have completed lesson, and question answers writing we will do in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe my channel. You have to search Manju Golde on YouTube, and then there are many videos which will come of mine, and then you have to subscribe. Tell your parents to subscribe my videos or my channel. Okay, thank you.